Leroy Georgette. My husband Michael. Oh yeah, well you know Michael.
What's up, lady?
My daughter Shayla and my auntie, the crazy auntie Brenda.
Hey Brenda. Hey y'all.
Hey baby.
What's going on?
Oh shoot, it's hot out here.
Yeah,
What y'all got? What y'all got for
Water
me?
ain't gonna be hot.
well, we have nachos. Oh, all kind of drinks.
Wow, y'all doing it up.
Yes, we have. Well, here it's just some more drinks. That's the lettuce and tomatoes for the sandwiches, hoagies, and just chips and stuff for the nachos.
Oh,
Now, let me introduce myself. Y'all already know who I am. I'm always on G.O. blog. Don't look. Don't tell. You know we forgot the cheese.
okay, Net. Say hey. Where are we going, Annette?
Unfortunately, we're going to our cousin's funeral today. It's between 4 and 8. They're going to review the body for about like an hour and a half or 2 hours. And then after that, we're going to go to Jack's Grill. Keep in tune. Y'all never heard us say Jack's Grill. So make sure you keep in tune. I got something in store for all of you guys.
They're gonna mold me.
Exactly.
Okay, we're gonna go to the bathroom. Oh, this your office, Jack?
Where is this? It's in the shop. Oh, no,
Well, hello everybody, it's Gio. I've had my breakfast And the pancakes and bacon and eggs were so good. Now I'm getting ready to unbox a giveaway gift that I won from Beverly Black's 50K celebration. Yes, Beverly is at 50K. She should be over 50K by now. So I will have her link down below if you guys have not seen her channel. It is a cooking channel, and Beverly really can cook. But I'm on here to show you what I want. I'm going to open up the package now. Hope I don't cut nothing. Let's see. No. Okay. All right, here is the package here. Okay. First thing I'm going to see what this is. Oh, this is a wireless charger. I am really going to enjoy this. Yes, I really needed this. All right. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, here's the instructions that came with it. It has a UBS card, and I guess you set your phone on this. I never had one of these before. So, wow, thank you so much, Beverly. That's pretty good. The next thing I won, oh, what is this? Lord, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it came with the wireless deal or what. Oh, wait, it's some kind of, oh, looks like some kind of whiteout. Like, and honey, I really do need this. I'm not so sure what it is. I might have to call Beverly, but it looks like it's got like a pen on the end. So I don't know if it's a pen or special pen or what. I'm going to call Beverly and find out. Next, that's all in there, is this dress that I want. Okay, it's a dress. Now, I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, I like the colors. I'm going to wear this. Ooh. Material is pretty good. And this is what it looks like. That's cute. See if I can stand up. Check that out. That's a pretty dress. It goes all the way to the floor. Wow. That's pretty, Beverly. Thank you. Thank you so much, Beverly. I am going to enjoy wearing this, and probably when I move to my one-bedroom apartment, I'm probably going to wear this so that I can show you guys how it looks. This is Gio. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Thank you guys for all the support that you gave me. When Rachel and John passed away, you know, I still feel sadness, but I'm good. Okay, I'm good, and I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my diamonds that has hung in there with me, and I just love you so much, and I just can't say how grateful I am. So thank you, and I will see you on the next Gio's vlog. H-Town, baby.